Oh, that's so fun. Oh my god, this is... Oh, oh man. Please don't be cracked. Please don't be cracked. Oh, nah. It is. Ah, screw it. I'm gonna have to pay for it.
Alright, man. What seems to be the problem with your phone?
Oh, I seem to have dropped it.
Oh, so that's what happened,
Yeah, man. Could you fix it for me?
Okay, well, this is gonna cost about, $400. Yeah, $400.
What? That's like twice the price of the phone brand new. How am I supposed to afford that?
Hey, it's not my fault if you're broke.
Oh yeah? Well, maybe I'll take my business somewhere else. I still need my phone though. Okay, I'm going to show that repairman who's boss. I'm gonna fix my own phone. Now, how do I get into this phone? Maybe I gotta pry off the back. Maybe that's the way in. 'Cause like, surely that's how they open your phones, right? I mean, oh no. Oh, it cracked. Damn it. Whatever. I can still get into this phone. I guess I can live with the cracked back. It's fine. Come on. Come on, open up. Come on. I didn't. Ah. It's getting glass every. Ah! Fucking hell. It's really glued in. Guys. Ah, damn it. Oh no. Oh. Well. I guess I might as well get the back off now. I can just buy a new back. Screw whatever that repair person said that I can't do it myself. Look at that. That's how you do it. Yeah. There we go. Oh, God. Oh, my goodness. Look. See? I told you I could get in there. Oh, it's really cracked, though. Let's hope a new back glass is cheap enough for this. Let's finish what we've started. I mean, surely it's not that hard to rip a back panel off, huh? I mean, just... it comes down like in layers, you know? It's like an onion. You know, onions have layers, this has layers. It's really similar to that. There we go. See? It wasn't so hard. Okay, time to get the screws out with my screwdriver. Let's set this thing aside. Yeah, that's how this works. Yeah. Look at that. Damn, these screws are really... they're really stuck in there, huh? Oh boy, that's a good screw, huh? Look at that. That's my camera, you know. I've taken so many nice pictures with that. Yeah, let's remove that to save it, you know, to... Oops. I'm sure we're not gonna need that. Okay, so I think next we should remove the battery so that I can attach the new screen I have to this. So, let me get some, oh yeah, WD-40. That should dissolve some stickiness, right? Let's see. Is this how you're supposed to use it? I hope so. Well, let's Let's see how the battery's gonna come out now. Hey, that's easy, and that's easy. There you go. And they said repairing a phone costs $450. Don't think so.
What? WD-40 caught fire? I didn't think it was flammable. Oh God, what do I do now? Oh no, my phone's burning. I was supposed to fix it, not fuck it up worse. I know. I'm going to stomp out the fire. Yeah, oh no. It's too strong. It's not dying. It's not dying out. It's not dying out. Oh no, my phone's burning. Oh God, I finally snuffed out the fires. But no. Oh my God, my phone screen was in the box. No. I damaged it. Oh no. Not my screen. And how could this have happened?
Well, maybe fixing phones isn't for the average consumer, and maybe it should be done by professionals, because stuff like this might happen. But oh, the screen's off. Okay, never mind. I can just put on this new screen and oh, what? It doesn't fit. It's not the right size. How could this have? It's not the same screen either. I paid $10 for this screen. $10, and it's not even good. I fucked up my phone. I got the wrong screen. I almost burnt down this place. I guess I have nothing else to do but to just fix it as best as I can, you know? I got the glue, so let's make sure that this screen's going to work, you know? Let's force the screen on it. I'm sure that's gonna work, right? Okay, that's good. Good. But I think it needs to be on there strong, you know? I don't want the screen falling off. Oh yeah? How about I hammer it on, you know, to make sure the screen never falls off. There. I think that's a good job. The screen's never gonna fall off. Okay, you know, let's glue in. We don't want the battery moving out. Let's glue everything in. Let's make sure that this phone never has to be fixed again. Boom, there you go. The battery's in place. And for the back panel, well, I got it here. It's in pieces, but that's just gonna help with airflow. Okay, let's give it some glue. Let's make sure this phone is nice and glued together. There. Let's see how strong it is. So thank you guys for watching this video. Comment, subscribe, and like, you know, all that stuff. If you want me to keep making videos, just let me know. And I'll see you in the next video. See ya!